Arranging negative integers in descending order. We are to arrange the following integers in descending order. That is, we are starting from the largest of them to the smallest of them. And please pay attention, as you will see that all these integers are negative. And as we have said, the integer with the biggest value and a minus sign is the smallest, while the one that with the smallest number but a minus sign is larger than that. So let's solve this. Solution. For the first group of numbers we have here, the number that is the largest of them is one that appears small, which is minus 4. So starting from the largest number, which is minus 4, we then go on to the smallest of them. So from minus 4, the next number will be minus 14. Good. Followed by that, we have minus 18. And then minus 25. Then finally, minus 30. In this set of numbers now, the largest is minus 4 and the smallest is minus 30. This is how we arrange in descending order. Let us apply it to the second one. Let's do this together. Identify first the largest number in this set. The largest is minus 28, followed by minus 34, then minus 36, minus 38, and finally minus 46. This is how we arrange negative integers from the biggest to the smallest. In other words, descending order. Thank you.